Watch when I squeeze my front brake. Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And what are we gonna do today? Well, I got my own Beamer over here, an R1200GS from 2010. I still think it's new, but it's 16 years old now. And today I'm going to show you what you can do with the MotoScan app. And it's such a supersonic device. If you have a Beamer, you can't go around the MotoScan app, guys. It's a cheap device. And you can do a lot of things with it. So I would say come on over and we start. The first thing we're gonna do, and that's about the most difficult thing that I'm gonna show you today, and that's how to get the buddy seat off. Now that was easy. One off, one to go. Yes. Here I got the MotoScan app. No, the MotoScan hardware, I have to say. Guys, I really love this device. When you have a BMW, you can't do without it. Really. Look in the description if you want one too. Here we got the Bluetooth interface. This out of the way. So over here we have the connector where we connect this cable. Yes. Okay, then we connect the Bluetooth interface. It's the communication tool Bluetooth between your bike's electronics and your phone, as we need the phone. Then we're gonna put the bike on ignition. Wait for the Atari to finish all his magic. Today I'm going to show you how to check your ABS with the MotoScan app. That's so easy. I already connected the hardware to the bike. Open the MotoScan app. Look over there. First thing I always do, as you know by now, is do an adapter check. So I am sure that the hardware is connected by Bluetooth with my phone. And that's adapter check. Unicar scan found. So that's good. Just gonna interface with him. 3 times yes in green, always good. Everything in green is good, I think. Then we go to the R series, a K25. This is a K25. And then at the top you see anti-lock brake system, ABS. That's it. First we're gonna read the trouble codes. Always important to do that first. No trouble codes found, so that's good. Then we go to live data. There we have the speed of the front wheel, speed rear wheel, and the voltage of the motor, of the pump. And we can add parameters to it. So, first analog value, front sweep, okay, that's already implemented. Then battery voltage, front pressure circuit, pressure control circuit rear, pressure rear wheel, also interesting. And then state ABS off switch, is that one. State ABS button, bremslichtschalter vorne, the brake light switch in the front, and the brake light switch on your foot pedal. Then we say play. And now he's looking at all the parameters. Now, the front wheel is at this moment 0.2 kilometers an hour. But I think that's the lowest value you get. It's not going. Okay, front pressure control circuit. Now, watch when I squeeze my front brake. It's now, see, 31 bar, which is great. Then the pressure at the rear wheel. Okay, I'm gonna press my rear. 25 bar, it says. 28. Okay. So, there you already have an indication that your ABS is, the pump is functioning for a part. Then we have ABS active switch off. Press the ABS switch to turn it off. State ABS button active. See? Then the brake light switch in your brake lever, for your brake light. I squeeze it, active. So now you know that the front brake switch is alright. Then we see the foot brake light switch. And that's this one. Now watch. Not active, and it goes to active. Good. Then we go to actuator control. Inlet valve front. And you can activate it and deactivate it. And we can listen. Wait a minute, I said van out. Listen. Did you hear that? Tick. Now it's off. But I think on you hear and off you don't. At least I don't. Exhaust valve front. Exhaust valve front. Ah. Tick. I barely could hear it. Then we have inlet front, inlet valve for the circuit on the back of your bike, your rear wheel. There he goes, off. Barely can hear it. Then we have the exhaust valve of the rear. So when you release your brake, it has to release the pressure onto your calipers. Tick. That was difficult to hear. Then we have the change over valve. That was, we can put it off. and then ABS pump. Here we can activate the pump. Here, just for a few seconds. So, that's also good to do at least once a year. Because, guys, when you are a driver like me, not driving on the edge, my ABS kicks in barely never. So your pump is not activated during the year. And if it stands for a long period of time, it could be stuck. So it's a good practice every year, or maybe twice a year. Yeah, the MotoScan app, huh? Activate your pump so it stays in good shape and you can hear it. Listen. See? Great. Off. Then we go back. Well, all the actuator functions. Then we have the service functions. And the service functions you need when you do a brake fluid change. You can bleed the front ABS brake circuit and the rear circuit. But that's for another time to show. As that's simple. What I mean got also, well, identification, also nice. Let's see. Identificate. This is the part number, manufacturing date 2010. It's the integral ABS tool, that's my VIN. ABS and ACS can be switched off. That's the switch over here. So guys, then we go back and close the MotoScan app. Then take the bike off ignition. Take this one off and put the cap back on. Click. That one back in place. Put the body seat back on. Like so, that was all. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, well, subscribe to my channel. Costs nothing, fully free. And give me thumbs up. Also good for the YouTube algorithm. Oh, share my channel on your socials with all your motorbike friends. So they all can benefit from my videos. And it's a win-win situation. And for now, old mechanic out.